Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, we have got a couple of little ones from Maxpedition to check out. We've got the Pico and we've got the tiniest Platty they make. Now, we've seen a couple of the Platties recently. We saw the 4x6 and the 5x7. This little guy, I mean, we're talking 3.5 by 5 inch. So you'll see a comparison here. While I don't have the Platties anymore, because I gave them away, but I've got another Maxpedition pouch that you'll just kind of get an idea. But guys, these are the smallest of the pouches in their respective lines, the Platty line and the pouch line. Now, what do you get from the Pico? Well, you've got a nice little netted front pocket. You've got 500 denier coated nylon, YKK zippers, as all Maxpeditions do. You've even got some hook and loop on this one to put your favorite SKL patch or your DSKFS patch. Then you've got some mini pockets. You've got a small pocket here. You've got a small pocket here. You've got some webbing. I mean, you could put a pen in there. I mean, these are even big enough over here to fit a decent, you know, not a huge knife. Let's see if the bug out will fit in there. Oh yeah, the bug out fits in there just nicely. Decent size comparison there. So you could make a small kit, maybe to throw in your vehicle, a small tool kit. You know, they make those, you know, mini tools, mini crescent wrenches, mini vice grips, that type of thing. You could make a mini toolkit with this. Actually, let's get, I mean, if you had a driver, I mean, of course, I've got my Journey Tool Co. kit here. It comes in this, but let's just see if you had a driver that maybe didn't come with one. Sure, you could put that in there. Yeah, that works. If you didn't, you know, if it already didn't come in a case, you've got something. A Pico would do that really, really nicely. Very cool. Now, the Pico, they're going for right around 22 bucks. You know, good quality. Absolutely. I mean, and here, let's zoom out a little bit. I got to give you a comparison to just to kind of give you an idea. This is not an overly large pouch. What is this one? This is one of the 5x7s. This is a 5x7 pouch. So there you go. Kind of get an idea of what the Pico looks like up against a 5x7 pouch. So, yeah, Pico, you're looking at 3x5. So, obviously, a little bit smaller. And then we'll get the old Platty out here. And there you go. I'll just kind of leave that out there so you can get an idea of what the little Platty looks like. Now, they're calling this one the Platty Front Pocket Organizer. And it definitely could be a little pocket organizer for sure. Now, you got a small pocket here. Again, you got the 500 denier. You've got a zipper pocket here with the YKK zipper. You've got a larger pocket back here, but you also have this paracord where you could wear it around your neck if you chose to do so. So you could even use it as a shoulder bag. I mean, it is long enough. Oh yeah, it's long enough. You could wear it under. You could kind of tuck it under your arm. I've got it right there right now. So you could definitely do that. Now this pocket, it'll definitely hold a bug out. Now I don't know, you know, maybe if you're out exercising, jogging, now you got to be careful because when you're running or something like that, maybe even walking, but you're still wearing shorts and don't want to have a whole lot of stuff in your pocket, you could definitely stick a knife in here, put a knife in here, you know, maybe put your ID back here potentially. Absolutely. It's even got a little ring so you could hang it up if you wanted to. So several different options for this. I like that idea of if you're out exercising. But like I said, if you're running and wearing this around your neck, it could bounce a little bit much, but you can shorten it up. Absolutely. Shorten it up however you want it so it doesn't bounce as much. It slides up and down. So, yeah, very cool. These are some awesome little pouches. Like I said, I really love checking out these Maxpedition pouches. They're so versatile. You can do a lot with them. You can make all sorts of kits with them. And this little Front Pocket Platty, I'm sticking the paracord back in so it's not all hanging out. I mean, it doesn't have any hook and loop on it, so you can't put your favorite SKL patch or DSKFS patch on there. But still, pretty cool little pouches for sure. You can find tons and tons of uses for them. Huge shout out to Maxpedition for sending these out. Really, really appreciate it. Now, before I go, I want to tell you the Platty comes in black, OD green, khaki, wolf gray, and multicam. And the Pico, yep, the same. Black, OD, khaki, wolf gray, and multicam. Platty going for $25. Pico going for $22. So there you go. Huge shout out again to Maxpedition for sending these out. Love it. Huge shout out to you guys for swinging by and checking them out with me. As always, guys, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me those comments. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.